In this demo, we will use the FortiClient Enterprise Management Server to showcase our integration with Active Directory for a single sign-on. Starting with the FortiClient Enterprise Management Server, on the left side we have a list of all the endpoints, and we can see that we have a domain here. If we go ahead and create a new domain, we can see that this is where we add the details for a new domain. However, since we already have one domain set up called the FortiDemo domain, we can go ahead and click it, and all the information will be filled. We can enter the password for the administrator to authenticate and click test. Once it is successful, we can save, and all the users within this domain will be imported into the Enterprise Management Server. Now, if we click on the corp.fortidemo.com domain, we will see all the users and their computers listed out. They are now added into the FortiClient Enterprise Management Server and are available for administrating as well as managing. We also have the ability to set up subgroups such as employees, interns, as well as others as required. Each of these groups are attached to a specific endpoint profile. Within these profiles, we can define different security settings for antivirus, sandbox, firewall, etc. based on the roles. From here, we can actually discuss the administration portion of the Enterprise Management Server itself. Because we are logged in as the admin, we are able to save the profiles, and we can also view various settings present in the EMS system itself as well. Now, let's go to the user management section. Here, we can see the various users that are administering the system, such as Demo, Tony Soprano, and others. And these are of different types of users, such as Windows, LDAP, and built-in. Let's go ahead and add a new user. From this window, we can select a user to add, and we can see that we have options of users from the Windows and as well as LDAP. For now, let's go ahead and add Carmela Soprano as a new user. We can add some comments, select the FortiDemo domain, and allow the permissions as we want. In this case, we want to allow Carmela to only be able to access the software manager and the certificate management without having access to make any other changes. Let's go ahead and add another user. This time, we'll add an LDAP user, Artie Bucco. Once again, we'll put in the same information, select domain access as FortiDemo, but this time we want Artie to only be able to run commands on endpoints and to not be able to make any other changes nor even access the software or the certificate management. We have a number of users defined here. Let's log out and log back in as a demo user. Now that we are logged in as a demo user, let's go ahead and have a look at the profile. We can see that we can see all the settings of the profiles. However, we don't have the save buttons at the bottom, and as a result, we're not able to save it. Additionally, if we go to the view menu on the top right, we can see that there are only a small number of menus visible to us, and menus like user management is not available here. Let's log out as a demo user, and this time we will log back in as the domain user, Artie Bucco. Since we set Artie's permissions to only be able to run commands on the clients, we can see that we are not able to save any profile settings. And if we go to the view menu, we can only see one option, the upgrade license option available. Let's log out as Artie, and this time let's log back in as the admin user. As the admin user, we are now able to make changes and save profiles, and in the view menu we can see much more items as well, as we have access to the full system.